Thermo electric pallet jack charging system installation. The Thermo electric pallet jack, or EPJ charger, provides 120 volt power through a 2000 watt pure sine wave inverter to ensure EPJs can be reliably charged while en route. The EPJ charger has multiple installation options to best suit the application. The options include GFI outlets, armored protection systems, and stretch cables to aid in operations. EPJ charger installations require at least two items: the base kit and the outlet installation kit. Within the EPJ charger base kit is the charger box, the DC cable kits, the mounting bracket kit, DC fuse kit, DC hardware kit, and DC mounting hardware kit. Within the outlet installation kit is the outlet, which in this case is the armored version, armored cable protection, and hardware kit. Using a mobile lifting jack, position the charger under the body to determine where it would be best placed. The box must be placed within 8 feet of the battery box. The charger is also equipped with 40 feet of AC cable for flexible installation of the outlet mounting location. With the mounting brackets temporarily attached to the charger box, mark the hole locations in the crossbeams for the 8 mounting bolts. With the box moved out of the way, drill holes for the 3/8" mounting bolts. Loosely assemble the mounting brackets to the charger box frame. Ensure the proper locking hardware is used. Once all bolts are assembled, torque all bolts properly. Mount the fuse holder inside the battery box in a location convenient for the DC cable routing. Determine where the DC cables will route into the battery box and, if necessary, drill holes through the box that are large enough to accommodate the cables and rubber grommets. Route the DC cables into the mounting box and attach the positive red cable to the input of the fuse holder. Route the negative black cable directly to the main negative terminal of the battery bank. Route and secure the DC cables between the battery box and charger box to determine the total cable length needed. Mark the cable length required and cut the cable to length. Once the ends of the cables are stripped, attach the 3/8" terminals to the cables and cover with heat shrink. Attach the heavy gauge DC cables to the back of the charger box and tighten accordingly. Ensure the terminals are covered with the rubber boots. Cover the cables with the protective sleeving in exposed areas to reduce the chance of abrasion. If in-wall routing is not pre-installed in the body wall, then a routing hole may need to be drilled through the body floor. Place rubber grommets in any locations where the cable goes through the body to prevent cable abrasion. With the AC cable routed up into the body, determine where the outlet will mount. Connect the ground from the outlet to the outlet box. Reassemble the outlet box, including the sealed outlet cover. Mark where the armored outlet box will be mounted. Ideally, this is in a location that will not be heavily subjected to pallet strikes. Drill holes through the 6 bracket holes and, using the provided rivets, hammer them into the holes. Installations that require cable protection due to exposed cable routing should utilize the armored cable protection provided in the retrofit kit. For applications that can accommodate the prepped trailer outlet kit, the outlet should be positioned in a protected location where it will not be subject to pallet strikes. The outlet location should be marked and mounted properly to the wall structure. Next, mount the sealed outlet cover to the outlet assembly. Apply the yellow instruction decal near the outlet to aid in user operation. Attach the short positive DC cable to the batteries and fuse holder to complete all power connections. Turn the battery disconnect switch on the charger box to on. To complete the installation, enable the system by accessing the inverter inside the charger box and pressing the inverter on button. The system voltage must be above 12.2 volts to be active. If the system voltage is not high enough to be active at install, the system voltage must be raised above 13.1 volts to reactivate. To activate the outlet power for the first time, open the GFI outlet cover and press the reset button. If the system is active, the outlet light will turn on.